Boom, it's your boy Izzy from CCTv Ep1. Look where we're at today. You already know where we're at, Kings Looks Italia. And today he's going to be asking a couple questions about their garms and their fit and everything. And boom, let's just get into it. Just before we get into the quick interviews, let's see what I'm working with today. Got on all black Crocs on today, fully customized out. Something light, man, you get me? And look over there, we've got a couple Crocs over there, carrot Crocs. We've got a whole bunch of different colours. I know it's winter right now, summer's around the corner, you get me? But we also do uni days, so if you ain't got P like that, you know we're gonna look after you, get me? Alright, boom, quick one, yeah? What's your name, bro?
I'm Shane, man.
Nice to meet you. And what shoes you got on today, man?
Some beat up Adidas, man. Just gym things, innit?
Gym things, yeah? You know we do clean services here. We can look after you, man. We got you. Cool.
As well.
So you got a couple of nice ones. We'll hold them to it. Where do you normally buy your clothes?
Anywhere, bro. Like anywhere and everywhere. Like whatever I see. If I see something I like, I'll just buy it. Like.
Yeah, the comfort as well.
Yeah. Depends, innit? Depends what it is. Like if it's just comfortable stuff like this, then yeah, cool, you know. But if it's something I like wearing out or something like that, just depends, innit? Depends on what it is, where I'll get it from.
What would you say your budget is on clothing, shoes, etc.? You know, anything like that?
It's difficult, man. Like if you see something you love, like, you know, I've spent a fortune on a jacket before, so I can't really say there's a budget, you know. Just whatever you like, just yeah. Price don't matter if you love it, right?
Yeah, like I said, bro, but look where we're at. We're in Kings Looks Italia today. A whole bunch of clothes, shoes, anything. You can have a look around. You might be interested in anything. Just take a quick browse.
Yeah, man, 100%. Yeah, thank you.
Alright, boom, we're back. You see my boy, can't lie, Big Drip store.
I appreciate you, bro.
Cool. Where you get your shit from, though?
It depends, bro. From literally like anywhere. Depends, like where you see sales, you know, humble, depends. Anywhere.
I hear it though. I can't lie, you into expensive garms and that. I see rocking the Burberrys and that. I can't lie, in our store, yeah, we do sneaker refreshing. So we clean up premium sneakers as well, even everyday shoes as well, innit? So like, if you ever need like a quick clean, you know where we're at.
Respect that. Makes sense.
Also, we got other like expensive clothes as well. I can see you into your Canada Goose, man. You know what I mean? We got all that. We got Burberry, Versace. We got all of that inside, man. So come take a quick look, man.
Yeah, for sure.